Nekton Gelb is a high-quality multivitamin supplement imported from Germany, enriched with enhancing pigments, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, macro, and trace elements necessary for good health. It is used to brighten color, enhance plumage, and prevent color fading. You want to use it 1 scoop over soft foods once daily, or in water at 1 scoop per half pint of water at the beginning of a molt until the full set of new feathers are in. For additional information on the products used in this video, please visit PetSolutions.com.